One wrong setting here, and your results can be off, and you won't even know it. Hi engineers! Today's video is a bit unusual. It's not exactly about a software feature, but about something every SDC Verifier user should check before starting any engineering project. I'm working with SDC for Ansys, and this is my model in Ansys Mechanical, which consists solely of beeps. So, without further ado, let's talk about preference segment in file section. And here you can see plenty of common settings of SDC Verifier that can be used for all projects. Some of the options are often questioned on our support department, and later I will pay even more attention to them. Starting by order, to prevent losing of data in SDC Verifier, automatic backup option can be enabled. And it is possible to set the time intervals between the savings in minutes. To save with model option allows to save the model after the project is saved. The network options are recommended to be set only if the internet connection is through proxy server. And proxy server is an intermediary server that sits between a user's device and the internet, or another network service. Now, moving on to result saving. You can select the type of results to be stored to the disk. Loads or checks results by the selected load types. Now, report settings. Update model before report generation shows notification to update the model information from Mechanical before the report generation. Recalculate jobs before report generation. This option clears all results for load sets and load groups and recalculates them. Fix small numbers format. If a number is not 0, but after formatting displays 0, then the number is shown in the scientific format. Now, save and load report items content. You will be able to keep report designer structure generated even after the reopening of the project. This option is used for all new report designers and can be overridden in the report settings or each report designer. Load type in load title. It displays full name or abbreviation in the title of the load chapter, so you can select which one is more preferable to you. The Scratch folder is used to store files generated while working with SDC, including calculation results. If there is not enough space on drive C, you can select another drive or choose a different path for storing calculation results in the Result Manager. By the way, a video on Results Manager is on its way. Moving on, if warning about rows count over limit is selected, a warning message for the tables with the row count more than the limitation count will be displayed. Generation of tables that do not match the condition will not be displayed in the report. Now, options are set for the default view when a new SDC Verifier project is created. So use isometric view settings. Center and magnification values are obtained after the model is auto-scaled. And when you select Use Current View Settings, rotation, center, and magnification will be taken from the position of the model at the moment of the new project is created. We are almost there. Other section. Read each body as separate property. By default, SDC Verifier groups all Ansys bodies into properties by the same material, same cross-section for line bodies, or by the same thickness for shell bodies. Turn this option on to read each body as a separate property. This may help in running recognition tools, for example, a split plate if different property IDs option in Panel Finder tool is required to be used. When it comes to the next option, SDC Verifier does not update automatically the model from Mechanical. And to prevent problems with different models in Mechanical and SDC Verifier, check this update model before analysis. Read results using DPF, and when on, the results from Mechanical will be read with Ansys Data Processing Framework, which is DPF. It is available for Ansys 2023 R2 and newer. For older versions of Ansys, results will be read using ACT Result Reader. Now, show confirmation before deleting. This option is pretty clear. It displays the message with a confirmation. Now, update the recognition tools on project opening. It updates joints, beam members, welds, buckling plates if the model was modified since the last project's save. And this is important to keep in mind as regarding the model update. Usually after remeshing, the IDs of elements and nodes that are kept in recognition tools are changed in the whole model, not only in the changed part. In this case, it is necessary to run recognition from scratch or use this option in preference. This we are talking about. This process can take some time for huge models that is why by default it is turned off. But internally, new recognition and recovery of the IDs of elements and nodes for recognition items by geometrical coordinates will be performed. Show wizard on new project startup. It displays the project wizard window every time the new project is created. Show model changelog on project opening. It displays the window with an information of original and new items, for example, elements, beam members, etc. count. Window is displayed after project opening and if the model was changed. Export to Excel using COM object. It creates Excel file and opens it. It requires installed MC Excel. Participate in Excellence program. It allows the software to securely collect usage data to understand how it is utilized and identify area for improvements in future updates. Participation remains anonymous and it is not linked to personal identification, ensuring privacy and objectivity. DPI awareness enables the different DPI scaling behavior. Okay, that's pretty much it about our preference. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So go to software, online help, help for SDC for Ansys. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.